Okay, proceed. Dali again.
So 6 minus
6
9. It cannot be because 9
is
9
bigger than
9 is bigger than 6. And then borrow 7
borrow 1
borrow 1
from
from
7.
from 7.
So
And
it will
then it turns to 6, and then 6 to turn into 16, and then
okay, 16.
16 minus 9. So so 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. It's 7, 7, 7.
7.
And then and then and then 6 minus 8. It cannot be because
8
8
is bigger than.
is bigger than 6.
So you need to borrow
So you need to borrow
1 from 6. 1.
1 from 6. And then
6 it
this
will
one to
turn it will turn to 5. Then
and then 6
it will
to
6.
16.
Okay, 16.
Yeah, and then 16 minus 8. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 8.
Okay.
8. And then bring down 5.
Okay.
So it's equal to 587.
So, can you check in your cell phone? Check
Oh,
if it's check mo dyan if it's that's correct. October 10 ay November 10 10:06 Sunday 2024. So, practice lang ng batsiyan yan. Double check if it's correct.
correct.
Oh, correct. Oh, the next one. Dali
The
na.
next one. So, so, so 240, 45, and then
Minus.
minus 88. So,
Okay.
5 minus 8, it cannot be because 8
8
was
is
bigger than 5. And then,
you need to borrow
and then you need to borrow
1 from
1
4.
from 4. And then 4
It
becomes
was
to 3. And then 5
5.
becomes 15.
Okay, 15.
So 15 minus 8. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So
The answer is
7.
okay.
7, I think. So 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 3 minus 8. It cannot be because
8 is bigger.
than 3.
So you need to borrow
And then you need to borrow
from 2.
1 from 2. And then 2 equal to
2
1.
it will turn
And
to 1.
then 3 equal to 13.
Okay, it will turn to 13.
It
Okay.
will, yeah. And then 13 minus 8. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It's 5. Yeah, bring down 1.
Oh, can you check? What's the answer?
Wait.
What's the answer? What's the answer? 100.
It's 157.
Okay, check if
I'll
it's
double check.
double check.
240, 45 minus 88. It's 157. I'm correct. Look.
Ah, okay. You're correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Very good ah.